What is poppin'? Facebook, YouTube, Meta, IG, wherever you watching this, it's poppin', everybody. So we got a comment from Top Shots Picks. I get an error when trying to use UVI Workstation inside FL Studio. How do you fix that? Can you do a tutorial? So I responded to him, no problem. And it's been about like almost 2 weeks. So real quick, go to his channel just to show y'all. Y'all can go subscribe if you want. Um, and basically, it's like I feel like so this is the solution, bro, to save time. Um, and excuse me, I don't my camera's not working, but yeah, so UVI Workstation is with FL Cloud. All right, so I feel like you could basically solve everything if you update FL Cloud, right? Uninstall stuff, reinstall it, right? Then I'm like, nah, that's not it. I'm talking about the monthly subscription. I think everything doesn't work and you're getting the messages because of that monthly subscription. So please log into your FL Cloud account. I already am, and it just tells me that I don't have a license for this. All right. So I don't have a license for it. So what I will do is just go to continue, and I go to discard all errors because I don't have a license for the Key Suite acoustic and the Key Suite electric. And now you can, like usual, go to your sounds. It'll load up all the key groups. And you should be able to use your UVI workstation. And we got all the, convolver, the clipper, everything. But that's what I do. So if you don't want to, sign up for FL Cloud to get those sounds back, I feel like that's all you got to do. Um, as you can see, we here. Like got the art. We got the filter over here, effects. I do have to keep clicking the tab. Yes, sir, and we back. Let's poppin', y'all. Let's poppin' Facebook, Meta, IG. TikTok, Red Note, wherever you watching this. And I want to get into this right here, this like comment from the bro Top Shot 67. And I just want to show y'all his channel, cause like when I react to comments, I go to the channel just to support. Y'all can go flood his comments if you want. So basically, this is a reply to an old video that I have up, and the video is basically about the UVI workstation. So we gotta go back and find out where this video is at. So I think it's right here. I feel like it's over here, but I'm not too sure. Let me go back. Let me go down here. But we're about to figure this out real quick, and then I'm gonna walk you guys through the solution that I found. All right, and this is like a couple days ago. Like, oh, this might have been last week. Oh, where we at? There we go. There we go. So, and this is the video right here. It's good, y'all. So it's literally a short. So it's a YouTube short, and this is from 6 months ago, and he's saying that he gets an error when trying to use UVI workstation inside FL Studio. How do you fix that? Can you do a tutorial? So I'm like, no problem. And this is the tutorial. So I got some videos right here. Let's play these videos real quick. Just go through these so you guys can see. Sir, and we back. What's popping? Okay, that's fine. So I basically got a comment. I already started this, right? But I just wanted to shorten it for you guys. So basically, when you type in like the errors for UVI workstation, the errors are coming about for a few reasons. So a number of reasons is going to be your license issues, outdated software, or corrupted sound banks. So if you don't know already, let me get out of this right here. It's not up, but let me go to image line. And if you go to imageline.com and you go to like FL Studio lifetime free updates, they did just release another update. So we're on 24.2.2. All right. So you can grab that version that is out right now, and that should help a little bit. Like that might be the issue right there. All right. So just make sure your software is up to date. You might have a corrupted sound bank. It might be another issue. But let's get into this. So like, you can pause and read if you want. So you can go through all these right here to make sure your iLock is your dongle is like connected correctly. Make sure you're signed in into everything correctly. But I really just think it was a license issue or a corrupted sound bank. So let's get into that. So let's say you see this message right here. So what I basically did, because I don't really use UVI workstation like that, so I'm gonna open it up just so you can see what I'm talking about. But we have these options right there. So it's gonna like open up all this other stuff. I gotta I just updated. I'm gonna just but yeah, I gotta switch my template so it's like this. It's empty. So then we go to UVI workstation, right? Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. So I basically did what I didn't want to do. But let's replace that and go to UVI workstation. And these are FL Cloud plugins, right? So these are all my my errors that come up. And you could follow the UVI workstation. You could do the find all missing samples. I just discard all the errors, right? And you go back in here and you should be able to find some sounds, and they'll still load up. So I realized that, like, okay, so these key groups are still loading up. So like, what's the real issue? It's like, it gives you these messages that you have to like work around. Um, and just have to let that keep loading. So now we back. We got UVI Workstation. So my other solution basically was, because what we just did was that's the message you're gonna get when you open it up. So my other thing was like manage FL Cloud plugins, and basically that's when
Then reload the plugin.
you make sure everything's up to date.
So let's manage FL Cloud plugins.
So it's gonna bring up FL Cloud
All
plugins
right.
like the window.
Because this is what I just got when I went to go do it.
And you can see that it wasn't up to date, so I updated it. You know, and certain plugins or VSTs that you have, they could be out of date. So it's like, fix these. All right, and these weren't a part of the issue. So these just needed to be fixed, which the plugin itself detected that. But if anything, just to save time, you would want to just uninstall and reinstall everything, correct? So that's what I was basically doing. I was updating stuff, and I was going through the whole prompts of updating FL Cloud. All right, so and it was unable to do everything that I wanted, and I'm like, what's going on? Like, what's the issue now? So the installation just wasn't working. I'm like, dang, what's going on? Kept going through everything, jumped to Reddit, and that was that first part. Mind you, I already basically gave you solutions that you can kind of work your way around that. But we got up here in Reddit, in the FL Studio forum actually. So if you wanted to like, look for this, you could type in right here, and you'll probably find all this. You can type in this right here, the transit one, the response user issue, and you'll find that. But I was basically looking up stuff on the forum just to see like what's going on, and it basically just says the same stuff like just with logging in and stuff like that. So I'm going through everything like trying to find if there's an issue. Um, Maybe it's space. I'm like, let me get rid of some of these VSTs. I don't use this one. This one's a trial. Let me delete that. See if that's what it is. It's too much on my computer, you know. And it really wasn't that. So it's just saying, reinstall it. So I'm like, all right, let me try that. So we go to the settings, and we're trying to figure out how to run like a diagnostic, and it's somewhere we just couldn't find it. And then we went to debug, about, still couldn't find it. So I'm looking for the diagnostics. Like, where is that? Where did I see it? So it basically it told me where to go in like the forum. So it's saying like, systems, tools, diagnostics. All right, so let's click that. So basically, it's like you can run a diagnostics test, um, just by going diagnostic tool, and I'll probably try to do it real quick. I just did that on the thing. and I found out that it's literally inside of the like the documents, like a folder. So you have to find that path. So I went to tools, diagnostics, found it, clicked the appropriate one, and I started to run my diagnostics. All right. So let's see if maybe you might have to do that. That might help. For me, a lot of this didn't really work. I still got these messages. And what my messages says is that there's no license found for the Grand Piano Model D, for the Key Suite, electric and acoustic. That's all it's telling me. I just don't have those licenses. So it might be a license issue. So what I did was I uninstalled it because it's installed, and I reinstalled it. And I'm talking about UVI Workstation. So I believe I uninstalled and I reinstalled. Now it's installed. Then there was an installation error. So long story short, um, I don't really know the answer 100%. Cause I'm still getting that issue. But as you can see, like we got the piano back, and like their little layout and stuff, like their little like picture background on the VST. So hopefully that got you here, so you can still like make some music. But no. So right now I wasn't able to help you with that like 100%. I apologize, but that's basically as far as I could get. So if it's a license issue, I would honestly just update FL Studio and update FL Cloud. I didn't have much success, but you should try with that. And if I did not explain how to update the FL Cloud, you can just come here to the FL Cloud and go to the plugins or go to like your account. It's gonna bring this up, which is the FL Cloud's plugins like hub app, and sign in and everything like that, and just try to like it's verifying itself, making sure it's installed. It's like uninstall. Even I'm waiting for this one, but I feel like you just want to make sure all this is up to date. And I feel like if that's good, I think you're good. I don't think you need too much. It's all about the license. So wherever I have to like put the license in, I have to like go figure that out. Like this right here, it's verifying. So I click the count. Let's see what pops up. We got image line over here in Microsoft, whatever this is. I gotta sign in, but I'm already signed in on my Google Chrome. But yeah, man, I'm basically. Oh, so we got Model D verified finally. All right. Yeah, so I really don't know. I don't know why it keeps doing that. I'm gonna X out of that. I'm gonna bring up UVI Workstation again, just to see the messages that it gives, the errors. Not seeing the error right now. Not seeing the error. So I'm gonna go. Let's go new empty. This might be it. Maybe I did it. See, it says I don't have a subscription license for Key Suite. So that's all I gotta do is sign in. right, so here we go. We got a notification right here. Same notification twice. All right, so now it's like manage. It says some. It just says something. It said like manage the plugin. It said please log in to your FL qualify add a qualifying subscription. All right, so available, install updates, active queue. All right. I'm on the free tier. The app is up to date. I'm trying to think. All right, hold on, y'all. I'll pause real quick. And we back. So I basically came to Image Line, signed in for like the FL Cloud stuff, right? So right here is their monthly subscriptions, like annual for the year. And they got these monthly tiers. So I really don't see like any other way to get those plugins back that like I downloaded for free because I had FL Cloud for free for a month. And then that license expired. So I really don't see myself getting those sounds back other than FL Clouds, like buying an FL Cloud subscription. So we can come here to the FL Cloud side of Image Line. And it's I'm not even going front. It's fire. Like they got a lot of fire stuff in this. Um, if you got Wi-Fi, you probably really don't need all that because you can utilize your DAW and the sounds you have, and you can pretty much make a lot of this stuff. But yeah, here we go. So they're like, you can access entire sounds catalogs from like $7 a month, basically under $7 a month. Excuse me. You can cancel at any time. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So what I was showing y'all before, I don't know how, but I guess they got this type of package now. So we're gonna switch to the month, and as you can see, if you go to monthly, it's $10 a month, $15 a month for the pro, and if you go to the yearly side, they chop that in half, so you can basically come through for like under seven each month for 80 bills, 80 beans, and get all the sound you want. But yeah, so that's what you're basically gonna have to do is update that subscription in order for everything to work correctly because FL Cloud plugins operate off of that subscription. It is a monthly service. So yes, that is why we are getting that message, and that is a solution right there. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Um, you know, just real quick, come to FL Image Line, and you can go to they have a lot of free stuff over here. I don't know if you guys saw that, and you can go to you can type in FL Cloud. We're already there though, but you can go to the updates maybe. I'm trying to think. Let's go to plugins and more, right? Just to see if we can like show you guys how to get there. And like stuff like this, like Flex is a free plugin. You got a bunch of free sounds and stuff like that in it. Everything else is pretty much like paid for. I got sounds for the sound font player if you guys looking for that. But a lot of these things you gotta pay for, and all you gotta do is, I believe it's shop. All right, gift certificates for. So if you come down here, basically like you got the FL Cloud stuff you can pay for. The UVI Falcon bundle, you can grab that. They got a bunch of stuff for for the plugins like packs and stuff, basically like preset, basically I guess. And I just want to show y'all even stuff is for like $5. Like we got a couple steals. Um, and you can come grab FL if you haven't. For your entry level price, or grab the demo. But I'm like, dang, where's it at? Dang, I must have. I'm like, is it on the other one? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. My fault. So you can come to FL Action Profile Products. So you go to products, you're gonna see all that. All right. So let's go. Oh, so I think I go to my profile, and then you can go to like I want to see what rewards I got. I don't got no rewards. Anything I gotta unlock. But yeah, so you go to products, more products, and that's where you're gonna see a bunch of stuff. Like all these packs down here. And everything's categorized presets, flex packs, and the plugins and so forth. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video for today. You guys have a great rest of your day. I just wanted to tap in and talk about that because I know that like that issue was annoying when you see that, and hopefully Top Shot that fixed that for you. Feel me? But other than that, you guys have a great rest of your day. Yes, sir. Key Sounds. Follow for more.